Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cream caramel pudding. First, gather all your ingredients. To make the caramel, combine 1/2 cup of sugar with 2 tablespoons of water in a saucepan. Heat it gently until it turns a beautiful golden brown. Be careful, as it will be very hot. Quickly pour this hot caramel into 4 individual ramekins, ensuring the bottom of each is coated. Now let's prepare the creamy custard. In a bowl, whisk together 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. In a separate saucepan, gently warm 2 cups of whole milk. Do not let it boil. Gradually pour the warm milk into the egg mixture, whisking constantly to temper the eggs and prevent scrambling. With your custard ready, carefully pour it over the caramel in each of your 4 ramekins. Next, place these ramekins into a larger baking dish. Fill the larger dish with about 1 inch of hot water, creating a water bath. Bake in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 45 to 55 minutes, or until the custard is just set. Once baked, allow your cream caramel puddings to cool completely at room temperature. This is an important step for proper setting. Then, transfer them to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. When you're ready to serve, simply run a thin knife around the edge of each ramekin and invert it onto a plate. Enjoy your delicious dessert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.